We're pleased you have chosen AT&T for your new service. This is the next video in our series to help you have an exceptional experience as we complete your order. Here, we will explain the process for receiving AT&T equipment needed for your new service so that it is available to the technician on the day of installation. Prior to your service installation, electronic equipment that has been thoroughly tested, certified, and configured specifically for your site will be shipped to you. This equipment connects your local area network or LAN to AT&T's network. Once it is installed, it will proactively monitor both the physical and logical performance and reliability of your AT&T service. You may ask, why doesn't the technician just bring it on the day of installation? It's a great question, but because the equipment is uniquely configured for your business needs, we found it most effective to ship directly to you rather than put the technician in the middle. Our technicians handle large volumes of customers daily, and by shipping directly to you, we avoid potential issues, and we can get the correct device to your site to be ready when the technician arrives. AT&T processes the equipment order when your new service order is placed. The actual order delivery depends on the equipment type and configuration, as well as the region where it is to be delivered. We send via UPS ground shipping in most cases. When the equipment ships from our warehouse, a notification is emailed to the local customer contact on file. This notice provides the UPS tracking numbers and estimated arrival date for each package associated with your order. If you are not ready to receive the shipment or need it to go to an alternate location, please contact the AT&T Delivery Team. Adhered to each box shipped is a packing slip that itemizes all parts that are included within that package. There may be multiple boxes in a package. We recommend you review the packing slip and check if your order number matches the order number on the packing slip. If any boxes look damaged or the number of packages do not match the packing slip, contact the AT&T Delivery Team. It is preferred that you do not open the boxes until the technician arrives. This can help avoid parts being lost or damaged. The equipment should be stored in a dry, environmentally regulated, and secure location. Keep in mind that you are responsible for the replacement value of the equipment if it is lost or damaged through neglect. On the day of installation, the technician will review the equipment shipped and will request replacement parts if needed. AT&T at times uses refurbished equipment that may have a cosmetic blemish. However, rest assured that all the equipment we install has been tested and certified to be in full working order prior to being shipped. There is a process for returning equipment in case it is damaged or the order is canceled. The AT&T Delivery Team can provide instructions for returning the equipment. Remember, this equipment is the property of AT&T, and any loss or damage to it may be chargeable to you. We hope you have found this information helpful in understanding what to do with AT&T equipment that is shipped to your site. We encourage you to contact the AT&T Delivery Team to get answers to any questions you still might have. Your satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.